Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to conduct credit conference for the projects 25 and Eastern 128, construction of school building, Nurcia, integrated school, and also Surigao del Sur. ABC 4,925,000. Then project 25 and 80109, repair bar maintenance of Tagbinaba Revetment 1. Barangay Amag, Bayabas, Surigao del Sur. ABC 2 million. Then 25 and 80130, repair bar maintenance of the IMG building, Bureau of Fire Protection, Tago Fire Station, Purisima, Tago, Surigao del Sur. ABC 1,300,000. 25 and 80131, repair bar maintenance of the IMG building, Bureau of Fire Protection, Madrid Fire Station, Patong-patong, Madrid, Surigao del Sur. ABC 1,300,000. Before proceeding, from our
Okay, good morning. For attendance, Annabelle Singap, chairperson, Julius vice chairperson, Tulpagaran, member, Jayla, member. We have 4 members present out of 5. And our DPWH members, Nathaniel Arenio, Ay,
Present.
yours truly, Yan Abraham, Head of Secretariat, Attorney Cherry Yu, Secretariat. We have our programmers, engineers, Heromi Nalia, Eugene Ogar, Ivan Sahan, Gerald Rohili.
Present.
That's all. Good morning, Mr.
Thank you. Thank you. So there's a preference of our secretariat, the DPWH and the back. For back, we have our of 5, so we are recording. For credit conference that are going to discuss for the 4 projects. The agenda are brief presentation, explanation of the basic contract data, requirements of the documents will be submitted to the bidder. And then review the procedure. Then number 2, questions, comments from bidders. Number 3, other matters or summary proceedings, including statements as our bid details. So planning may now start the presentation for the 4 project contract ID 25 and 80108.
Thank you, Good morning, everyone. First project, construction of school building. Nurcia Integrated School, Lanuza, Surigao del Sur. With contract ID number 25 NH0128. Bidding date June 16, 2025. Appropriation 4,987,500. ABC 4,975,000. Location at Barangay Nurcia, Lanuza, Surigao del Sur. With a physical target 1 unit. Project scope, construction of 1 story 2 classroom. And a project duration of 123 calendar days. Scope of work. General requirements 1.90%, earthworks 1.82%, plain and reinforced concrete works 41.87%, finishing and other civil works 45.98%, plumbing works 4.27%, and electrical works 4.15% to the total of 100%. For item number, description, unit, and quantity are shown. For part A, general requirement. Part B, earthworks. And part C, plain and reinforced concrete work. For part D, finishings and other civil works. And continuation of the finishing and other civil works. Part E, plumbing works, and Part F, electrical works. Minimum equipment requirement, equipment description, capacity, and number of equipment, one backhoe, and one dummy. 3.51 project billboard, one unit of 4x8 DPWH tarpaulin, and one unit of 8x8 COA tarpaulin. For occupational safety and health program, provision of one health personnel and one safety practitioner. For the materials, name and specification, unit and quantity are as shown. For plans, perspective, vicinity map, and asset development are shown. And for floor plan and roof plan, front elevation, rear elevation, cross section, and longitudinal section. A reflected ceiling plan, left and right side elevation. Details of end bay section, and spot detail for landscape metal nuts. No symmetry, and spot detail for the RC stair. Detail section of toilet, and spot detail of gutter, spot detail of bench, and detail section of toilet. Detail plan of ramp, and longitudinal section of ramp, and detail elevation of the ramp. Schedules of doors and window. Elevation. Detail of blackboard, the elevation, and the sectional view. Vertical detail section, and perspective of ceiling. Electrical power layout plan and electrical lighting layout plan. Then sewer line and drainage layout. Roof plan view of the sewer line and drainage layout, and floor plan view of the water line layout. Water line isometric layout plan. Storm drain and sewer layout line plan. And detail of septic vault. Detail section of stair on pit and RC ramp, and structural foundation plan. And detail of column and footings. And plan out lavatory or hand wash, and detail elevation of a hand wash. Roof beam details and wall footing details, as long as with the end wall detail. And stiffener detail, roof framing layout plan, and detail of the footing tie beams. Detailed section of the truss, the isometric view of connection of roofing to the four-leads. And detailed connection of the cross bracing, and detail of the handles. Detail of truss anchorage at grid line A and C, and detail of truss anchorage at grid line B. Detail of connection of purlin to the top cord and detail of purlin splice. And detail of purlin subgrade connection. That's okay.
Okay. So, yun na po kung paano conform na kasi so, from our previous president,
Return procurement conference, redesign, 1.8, complete run classroom with all facilities and the rest for makeshift laboratory. Then decrease in quantity for meeting, prepaid sheet, metal sheets, the considered for cutting is already incorporated in then power and plant for revision.
so namin ang reason and release na ito is purposely and detalista sa attachment sa so ang kasi explain na paano yung
with transmittal of foreign so
okay, so in March, na-corrected ng papel nila ng parawan and 2 class of papel sa ito 4.5 meters
classroom for IC
for military orders. RCC. Okay, thank you. So, follow ulit po tayo. Proceed na sa next chapter. Sa ato po ang may search doon.
Wala ma'am.
Wala. Nurcia. Okay, proceed na sa next project. 25-0-129, repair, maintenance at Tagbinaba Revetment 1. Ang ito po rin sa Katilan. Ito.
yeah nakadilip
Okay, so good morning, everyone. Our second project is 25-0129, repair maintenance of Tagbinaba Revetment 1, Barangay Amag, Bayabas, Surigao del Sur. So sub-fund, regular agency fund, general fund, new general appropriations, specific budget of national government agencies, SARO number SR 2025-03007838. With appropriation of 2 million, ABC of 2 million, project duration of 51 calendar days. Scope of works, concrete slope protection with steel sheet pile with a length of 15.1 and concrete slope protection with Zocalo length of 4.4, total length of 19.5. Description of works to be done. Part A, general requirements of 7.31%. Part B, earthworks, 12.29%. Part C, bank and slope protection works, 81.41%, with a total of 100%. Summary quantities, item number, description, unit, and quantity as shown. Part A, general requirements. Part B, earthworks. Part C, bank and slope protection works. The project location shown in the vicinity map and the geotag photos. Plan and profile. General notes. traffic safety sign, it is magic billboard dimensions. Typical section of slope protection. Detail steel structure, steel sheet pipe. Cross sections. That is all. Thank you.
Okay. So, what is the conclusion? Question?
May correction lang ma'am sa item number. Yeah, as stated ni Glory Dan, that is traffic management. Naka-lump sum instead na unit.
1.7 lang sa one na siya dapat yung
Oh, naka-month siya dapat ang unit.
So, una isa to.
months o one month
Month and unit.
Months and unit.
We have retired.
month ang yun.
So okay na yun.
Okay, number six.
O pero ano pero unang marami natin infraction surveillance taking
Service taking.
ay lamsaman yari pero ano ya paano to ya punya push natin kilometer pero kung before ilibin ang gamit sa ano yung lamsam
Sa before.
itong kilometer B.41
One that's.
Like this.
So lump sum siya.
So,
Okay.
correct na nito.
Okay.
So, saan ang kanya?
B.41
One, hindi ha, 11, kung sa kayo correct ba?
before ilibin lamsam sa nilagay
Doon sa ilang ginamit sa program.
So, kapantay na ba?
Kaya ang bulletin kibali sa B411 o sa B82.
tama na sa
Tama na.
Another question kay lapanin sa kawada. So ang structure excavation mo common soil. Kung sa ito ano yung gamit as embankment. Ay,
Oo.
yakabutang ko sa siya na structure excavation. So dapat, kung i-utilize mo siya embankment from structure excavation.
Oo, may common.
Parang naman ko din so. Kung ano yung gamitan mo.
So,
Ano itong siya dapat?
ano yung gamitin mo ang structure excavation na common soil, mawa ano yung structure excavation. Kanto ko sa embankment from structure excavation.
Oo.
Kaya kaya po baro niya pare kaya.
Baro.
Oo. So,
Yan.
madayon sa kaya ko na po oo. Pwede sa
Common soil mo ito.
may common soil sa. So, madayon, kung sa'yo survey na hindi. Kung survey na niya, pag binaba, madayon siguro tayo po. Di raw lang po. Common soil yung excavation, para sa information siguro.
Kung so siguro dili siya sa madayo siya.
Sa kung siya ma'am sa foundation.
An excavation na ay na yung dati. Ano kasi lagi nila? Hindi.
Sukalo ba gan?
Ay, kapag sukalo niya ako na, first thing no? Sukalo ang gigamit. So, nga to yaon sa, so base lang madayaw. Common.
Mag-reading quantities ka.
sa cooking kay bali sa
Bali mang action sa item.
Bakit? Pero mawa
na sa excavation
Mawa ni sa o uli kipulihan ba yun?
embankment from
So,
Ano yung structure excavation mo? Pulihan mo lang embankment from structure excavation.
same quantity.
So di nakasundugan kibali ng linya. Amo na yun siya. Kaya na yung team number.
gamit guys yan. O siya wala po.
Oo, sili ka po. Ang dami ko siya nag-survey kung pwede nila magamit.
Ito tapos nila magamit.
So nakabutan siya sa location.
Sa quality.
Hindi ako punta sa kung ano school so okay lang kung answer tamo ng tang first contribution there. Hindi na kami mabalik. So,
Ipinag-review sa online finding and quantita.
Ito sa
Pension dito sa kuha. Alagay to. Pupubic, 6. Isusulya kung kita na lang. Disallowance.
Tapos ang sa equipment, madam. Ang galo na singko nato yung crane kay 2 million sa inyo may crane. Crane. Yaw na may bakong tapos yaw sa yato. By the way.
Sa trust still should point.
Yaw sa bakong. By the way.
Oo.
May crane pa niyo.
Ngayon nag-train siguro 2 million. Magdaan ang train ka.
DILG.
Project. Ang paano nyo ha? Di ka off. Kung ako din na project na hindi ko kan impractical magdakaw ng tuan. 2 million o 1 million. Hindi na pa magdaan ng train na to kaya grabe yung dalaan niya o may pagdogang ng tuan. So, may magamit sa nabang po kuan driving kaysa ibabaw sa kuan. Dito sa Sobo, sa bangko pwede sa next year. So, may changes na nila eh. Pag-ulitin kita,
Ako na lang sa biling ko truck, madam kay Jose Roads.
Daily Road. So,
Para na biling ko truck.
kuan sa inyo, sa lupa, yakabutang yan, and water truck of Curly. Ano daw sa inyo lupa?
Yan yan.
Baka pag sa full calibrated. Yan ito ba hindi ko lang yung matapos. Parang yan yung driving.
Butas-taas kayo ang project. Clearance kami tos.
Application picture
Pagbiyawan siya sa lupa, pag madam dito ng mga hala.
Kaya kung sa hain na item yung siya.
driving mo. Sa driving mo na yan na lupa yung screen.
Tama.
Yan. Pag-ilaw mo po, ang pag-drive, outside per hour.
Kaya kakuha na dami sa lupa. Corporate. Kaya nag-practical ka tayo mag-sit files ko ng 3 meters Dili ko ang kagaya ba na 3 meters mag-sit files pa ka na 3 meters tapos ang amount na 2 million. Tapos now 20 million na 3 meters kita yung sa lupa. Ano daan to? Ito ang reasonable na
wala yung wala yung
So, dahil ko ano mo. Ang ato, sa haling dagat. Tayo man mo yun.
Sa trade ba?
Oo. Ay, yakagupa siya. Tayo man mo yun na lang ang ko. Sa So, dalawa ko namin.
Hindi ko na niya ng bilis ng school na ako.
Trade na sa milyon ng
Nagbago siya ang jackpot.
So, i-advertise niya ako ng train. Problema ko dahil ang train.
Kamay ito ba? Service.
Later ka na to. Sabi ko siguro. Sige.
Change it ako siya.
Kaya mag-bulletin na kita. Any changes na. Okay. So, ano yung punta na? Later na. Okay, so next project. Punta sa contract ID. 01D0. Maintenance DILG building. Development protection Tago. Fire station. Purisima. What may you naman, sir? It's lagi.
Good morning. For the project contract ID 25NH0130, repair maintenance of the DILG building, Bureau of Fire Protection, Tago Fire Station, Purisima, Tago, Surigao del Sur, with the SARO number SR 2025-03 007743. Location, Barangay Purisima, Tago, Surigao del Sur. Appropriation, 1.3 million. ABC, 1.3 million. Duration, 60 calendar days. Scope of works, provision of roofing at roof deck. Description of works to be done. Part A, general requirements with 3%. Part B, form works and false work, 1.1%. Part C, metal structures, 70.85%. Part D, corrugated metal roofing, 18.11. Part E, painting works. Part F, concrete works, 1.07 with a total percent of 100%. Summary of quantities, item number, description, quantity, and unit are shown. Existing building. And then the roof deck where the roofing ate taon. Front elevation, left side elevation, right side elevation, and rear elevation shown. And then ground floor plan, mezzanine plan, and roof deck plan. Steel plate or column plan. Roof framing plan, and then roof trim plan. Steel base plate detail, fascia frame detail elevation, and then steel girth detail. Okay, rafter detail, cross bracing detail, isometric view of connection of GI sheet to purlin, and then purlin and sagra detail. That's all. Thank you.
Uy, ang tigit-tigit ni.
Okay.
About. Sa building. Ato,
Ato ko darga ng desa. So good.
Ang concrete mo kaya
Ang concrete sa kuan, any steel column with concrete pedestal connected by anchor bolt and base plate amata sa last part.
ato.
Sa top mo. Pag so may steel column may steel 6 mm 6 150 mm. Ang atop
Roof deck dentro ba ko?
sa roof deck ma'am. Ay gibalin. Wala sa ini side. Ini roofing sa roof deck.
Roofing po lihan.
Hindi wala yung roofing ma'am. Provision
ang existing niya roof deck.
roof deck.
Kailangan na
Ato pan lagi.
Oh, ini ma'am.
Mag-roof lagi kita.
Oh, mag-roof kita.
Ang roofing lagi na
Oo.
sa paro.
Ang may question sabi ng taga Manila kay ang sige request ng end user mag-roofing pero ang Manila mo kuangin sila na dikta mo di sa unta mo tugot ng roofing kay wala sa existing unsa ato i-repair daw.
Diba siyang leaking?
Bago pa sa video.
Masing leaking na nila roof deck.
Now leaking only
Tupan na kan lang.
Deck gayon.
may roof deck nila existing. Di sab sila magpapuli ng ila ceiling kay useless sa gihapon ko ng tubig man gihapon so
Tupan na kan yun.
tupan na kami daw.
Ceiling mo na ma-repair.
Wala ma-repair man and budget limited
Okay
ra.
na sa ila.
Oo, okay naman. Pero nila next bahala ko na sa ngitara sa salay na budget or mag-request na sab sila otro sa maintenance if ever mag-budgetan.
Alam mo kung nagmasi lang ng pungpong kay bate.
Oo, okay po kanina. Oo, may ni ma'am. Tago ini sa tago. Mao ni ato. Actually ni details na nila ni outro. Wala yung details ni sa ila first na.
Yung naman sa ibabaw, yung tiles.
Oh, tells sila na nag-tells ani ma'am kay ingon nila kung mag-tells ko no. Base dita ko naman ko ng tubig na same ra gihapon so no. Eh may downspout sa na existing natin sa sudra sa
Pagka-tiles, dapat kinasukuhan.
wala elevation siguro hindi ko elevated.
Tapos, buto na sa ilaw ng init. May pilit sa ilaw. So, okay. Sige, kung ano pang tanong.
Ay, pila.
May next advertisement.
Pagdala madam sa source of fund.
So,
Sa rolong ng libutang dapat dati 5.
Star Diane po.
adi kan kan source of plan.
Ang nari.
Hindi that's
Source
Sa-
of fund,
sa-
ano lang yan, pag sa year.
okay.
So,
Di kan pero dito na.
okay, so answer to find the so, next project. Next project,
Same.
repair, maintenance, 25 NE 0131. Repair bar, maintenance of the LG building, zero fire protection, Madrid fire station.
Project contract ID 25N80131. Repair maintenance of the DILG building, Bureau of Fire Protection, Madrid Fire Station, Patong-patong, Madrid, Surigao del Sur. Source of fund, regular agency fund, general fund, new general appropriations, specific budget of national government agencies with SARO number 2025-03007743. Location, Barangay Patong-patong, Madrid, Surigao del Sur. Appropriation, 1.3 million. ABC, 1.3 million. Duration, 60 calendar days. Scope of work, same. Provision of roofing at roof deck. And then, description of works to be done. General requirements, 3%. Formworks and false works, 1.1%. Metal structures, 70.85%. Corrugated metal roofing, 18.11%. Painting works for steel, 5.88%. Concrete works, 1.07 with a total percent of 100%. Summaries of quantities, item number, description, quantity unit are shown. Part A, general requirements. Part B, formworks and false work. Part C, metal structures. Part D, corrugated metal roofing. Part E, painting works. Part F, concrete works. Existing building of Madrid Fire Station. Plan, front elevation, left side elevation, right side elevation, rear elevation. Ground floor plan, mezzanine floor plan, roof leak plan. Then steel plate column plan, roof framing plan, and roof draining plan. Steel base plate detail, fascia frame detail, steel girth detail, rafter detail, and then cross bracing detail, isometric view of connection of GI sheet to purlins, and then purlins and sagra detail. That's all. Thank you.
So, may changes. Advertisement.
Pare-hari ka mo sa release mo ba? Source of
So,
fund.
kung congrats niyo mga sa repeat, yun na lang pag-ihapan 48.
For its by council, 10 ka kolo po pat kabo.
Sa tulong rin, sa
Sa
pedestal.
pedestal da pat kabo.
So, ang trabaho niya, ano sa?
Same get ay
Same.
same.
Kaya sila nagpuan pa ng state.
Sa grad.
So, mag-uniform na sila.
Sagrada na kwa sa exercise
Uniform
field.
na sila.
Kay gawag isa-isa. Salamsam sa kay gibilang ko.
Okay, so, next. Okay. Next, wala. Okay. So, any more questions? Punta sa next tuan. Agenda sa components, requirements to be documents and documents to be submitted.
For the invitation to be source of fund, for the 25 minutes, 0128, 2025. The 25 minutes, 0129, sa araw number is happening in 25, 03, 007, For the 25 minutes, 0130, and 25 minutes, 0131. Sa araw number is up to 25, 03, 007, For the bidding document space, the 25 minutes, 0158 to 25 minutes, 0151, 5,000 each. The bid opening shall be on June 16, 2025 at 2 p.m. at DPWH Office Procurement Unit, bidding conference room, Tandang City, Surigao del Sur. For the documents to be submitted by the bidders, for the technical components of the bid, valid pages registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages, statement of all ongoing government and private projects, single largest competitive contract, supported by the certificate of final acceptance, special pickup license in case of joint venture and registration, bid security, organizational chart for the contract, list of contractors, key personnel, list of major equipment, omnibus or statement, NHCC computation and statement of total assets and total liabilities, and JBE if applicable. For the financial components of the bid form, bid prices in the bill of quantities, detailed estimates, and cash flow.
Okay, thank you. So those are the documents that submitted by the bidder. These documents are stated as published in the PhilJEP's website and department. DPWH website. Contractors may just download those documents. So reminder, technical to be submitted, documents to be submitted by the bidder is into envelope system. Envelope 1, the technical component of the bid, and envelope 2, financial component of the bid. Criteria for the procedure of eligibility check will be through CWA and manual checking of the law. For questions, comments? Our bid bulletin for these projects, if there are any, I think sa tulong project na bid bulletin or files. Alisa na.
Big bulletin niya po sa
Huwag lagi may bid. Tulong. So, bulletin will be posted not later than June 9, 2025. So, reminders, kung may ato online po, kung may mga tanong sa sige, ano ato bulletin is June 9 at later than June 9, 2025. So bid of these projects will be on being bid opening will be on June 16, 2025 at 2 p.m. DPWH Procurement will be conference room, and that's it. Other matters? So sumali yung proceedings. So it was already said na may bulletin at later than June 9. May bulletin for the 3 projects. So, pangkala anymore. So, hearing none, that ends our credit conference.